You've built your raised beds. Now the question is, what are you going to fill them with? There are a lot of right ways to do this, but I'm going to keep it simple. So what are we trying to create here? We want structure for the roots, we want nutrition, and we want good drainage. Now I'm going to focus on an 8-inch bed because that's what I do. But what I would recommend is starting with roughly 50-50 topsoil and compost. Topsoil for nutrition, compost for drainage. And if it's still a little bit heavy, you can always add vermiculite, perlite, or pine fines. Years ago, I started with Mel's Mix, and there are a lot of other recipes, and they work. But what they're all trying to do is to create balance. And by balance, I mean don't fill it all with topsoil, don't fill it all with compost. And that 8-inch bed, I can tell you from years of experience, that's more than enough for most vegetables. You don't need a massive bed your first year. 4x4, 4x8 is plenty. When you need to determine how much material you need to fill, I've put a calculator down in the description that you can use to figure out how much material to buy. And you're going to see it adds up pretty quickly. So starting small is in your favor. I would say don't go chasing the perfect soil mix. Just avoid the extremes, and that'll get you planting sooner than later. If this is useful and you've made it to the end, thank you. Please hit subscribe, like, and we'll see you on the next one.